Assalamu alaikum. How are you, my dear students? I think all of you are fine. I am also fine. I am Mita Miss with you. Today is the class for the student of Standard 7 subject BGS. Now I like to discuss about chapter 7, Climate of Bangladesh. So dear students, open page number 63, Climate of Bangladesh. So I read the text, follow your text. Through the words weather and climate appear to be same. They have difference in their meanings. The natural condition of a particular area of a certain day or time of day that includes temperature, rainfall, wind, storm, etc. is called weather. It is determined by measuring temperature, air pressure, speed, humidity, and amount of rain. The weather may change daily or hourly, and it actually does so. On the other hand, the average weather of 30 to 40 years of a particular area is called climate. So, I write the definition here. You have to memorize these two definitions. I already told the definition and you got the definition page number 63. So memo from here. However, there are some extra elements beside the condition of weather that count in determining climate of a place. The climate of an area include latitude, longitude, distance from sea, height from sea level, wind moment, ocean current, slope of land, soil structure, and volume of forest, etc. Latitude means Akhangsha and longitude means Draghima. Changes in the lifestyle of inhabitants of the area, luxury and development affect in change of climate of that particular area. These factors are resulting in increased temperature all over the world. We have to fight greenhouse effect due to these. Therefore, we need to learn the climate of Bangladesh, change in climate effects, region for effects, and tackling the new situation. So let's go lesson 1, page number 64. Lesson 1, Climate of Bangladesh. As Bangladesh is situated in the tropical region, tropical you know the meaning, Grishya Pradhan. Tropical region, its climate is tropical monsoon climate. Being near to the sea, under the influence of monsoon, you know the monsoon, rainy season. Neither the winter nor the summer is ever here. The summer is warm and rainy and the winter is dry. The Himalayas, although situated at far north, saves us from the chill wind coming from the north during winter. Therefore, the winter is not too long, though it is not too long. Usual temperature in Bangladesh during the winter is 11 degrees Celsius to 29 degrees Celsius. Remember this point. Usual temperature, find out and quote this point. Usual temperature in Bangladesh during winter is 11 degrees Celsius to 29 degrees Celsius. But sometimes it comes down to 4 to 5 degrees Celsius in the north and northwest region. Thakurgaon, Panchagor and Srimangol are the coldest place. Memorize these three names. The summer starts from the month of Boishakh, which is mid-April the English calendar. The average highest temperature of Bangladesh in summer is 34 degrees Celsius. The average lowest is 21 degrees Celsius. Remember, you need to memorize these two also. Temperature of Bangladesh in summer is 34 degrees Celsius and the average lowest is 21 degrees Celsius. Again, sometimes, particularly in the north and northwest, rise up to 40 degrees to 50 degrees Celsius also. The northeastern occurs sometimes at the beginning of summer in different places. The coastal areas experience cyclones and tsunami too. In the rainy season, wind blows and vapor from the south and southwestern part of the Bay of Bengal. This is called summer monsoon. So, what is summer monsoon? You can get the answer from here. What is summer monsoon? This wind causes heavy rainfall in Bangladesh, but rainfall doesn't occur equally all over the country. Sylhet, Chittagong, and Cox's Bazar experienced heavy rainfall. On the contrary, Rajshahi, Pabna, and Kustia have comparatively low rainfall. So memorize the three names. Sylhet, Chittagong, and Cox's Bazar experience heavy rainfall. On the other hand, Rajshahi, Pabna, and Kustia have comparatively low rainfall. There is rain during the autumn too, though the amount is very low. River elevation also increase during the rainy season. April to May and October to November are the high times for tornadoes and cyclones. The climate of Bangladesh is moderate. The climate of Bangladesh is moderate. It means effects of favorable and adverse weather is equal here. Being under favorable weather, Bangladesh is evergreen and ever fertile. On the other hand, disasters like storm, tidal wave, flood, drought, nor'easter, tornado, and excessive rainfall occur due to adverse effects and cause a lot of suffering to people. So, let's go lesson 2, page number 65. The topic is causes behind the climate change in Bangladesh. Many causes are responsible for visible change in climate all over the world. It is also affecting Bangladesh. Weather change doesn't go accordingly with change of season. Amount of rainfall during monsoon is decreasing. Winter is arriving late and leaving early. The number of natural disasters is increasing. Severity of droughts, floods, and tidal wave is on the rise. Rivers and canals are drying off. And the main cause behind climate change in Bangladesh as well as the world is global warming. So underline this line, quote this line. The main cause behind climate change in Bangladesh as well as the world is global warming. The polar ice is melting abundantly. The polar ice is melting abnormally due to warming. This weather due to melting ice is raising the sea level. As a result, the low-lying southern region and many countries adjacent to sea are at risk of being submerged. Adjacent means near and submerged means sunk, डूबे जावा. The greenhouse gas is highly responsible for global warming. Gases like carbon dioxide, methane, nitrous oxide, and chlorofluorocarbon, etc. Combined are known as greenhouse gas. The increased presence of the gas in temperature increases temperature of the earth. Human activities are causing this increase of greenhouse gas. Carbon dioxide constitutes the largest portion of greenhouse gases. This gas is generated from electricity produced, smoke from vehicles, brick kilns, etc. The percentage of greenhouse gases has increased day by day. And for this, we can easily understand the danger of climate change. The causes for climate change in Bangladesh are almost same as those around the world. However, developing countries like Bangladesh do not use the same amount of fuel as used by the developed countries. These considered developed countries are more responsible for the changes in climate, but we want to bear the maximum burden of these. The temperature of Earth is also rising due to continuous deforestation. Experts' opinion that a country need forest that should amount of 25%. Quote this: a country need 25% amount of forest, but Bangladesh has only 17%. Bangladesh has only 17%. Moreover, the amount of forest is still decreasing due to discriminate cutting down of trees and destruction of hills. Consequently, the amount of rain in Bangladesh has decreased recently. So, I think you understand both the lessons, and the lessons is very important for your creative question. So you need to read the text properly, then you can write the answer, creative question answer properly. So what should you do? To read the text very carefully. Okay, thank you my dear students. See you again next time. Allah Hafiz.